By the end of this video, you will know how to find market indices on eToro. Start on the main eToro screen and look to the left sidebar. In that menu, click Discover. This opens the section where eToro groups assets into categories, so you can move beyond the watch list and look through the markets available on the platform. Once the Discover page loads, move to the categories shown near the top of the page. Click Indices. This filters the Discover view, so you are only looking at market indices rather than stocks, crypto, commodities, or other asset types. If you do not see the right section immediately, take a moment to confirm that Indices is selected before continuing. After that, review the list of indices available on eToro. This is where you can scan what is offered and compare the names that appear on the page. Depending on the layout and your screen size, you may need to scroll to see more of the available options. As you browse, focus on the index names so you can identify the one you want to open. When you find the index you want, select it from the list. You might choose a widely followed index such as the S&P 500, the Nasdaq 100, or Germany 40. Clicking the name takes you away from the category list and into the dedicated page for that specific index. On the index page, you can view the current price and check recent performance. You will also see the chart along with market information related to that index. This page is the place to look when you want a closer view of how the index is moving and what details eToro provides for it. If the page takes a moment to open, wait for the content to load so the price, chart, and data appear fully. There's also another way to get to the same result. Instead of browsing through Discover and choosing the Indices category, you can use the search bar. Enter the name of the index or its ticker symbol, then select the matching result when it appears. This can be useful when you already know exactly which index you want to find and do not need to browse the full category first. Both methods lead you to the same place, the index page, where you can view pricing, performance, chart data, and related market details. The main difference is whether you want to browse what eToro offers under indices or go directly to a specific market by searching for it by name or ticker. You have now found market indices on eToro and opened an index page with its price, performance, chart, and market information.